Are you tired of living in a dated space but don't want to tackle a full-blown remodeling project?
In this video, we'll show you how to give your home a fresh new look with simple DIY updates that won't break the bank. First up, let's talk about those plain walls.
Instead of investing in expensive wallpaper or undergoing a messy paint job, why not try using wall panels to add texture and visual interest?
Next, let's tackle the doors.
A simple coat of paint can instantly refresh any room.
Choose a bold color to make a statement, or opt for a subtle hue to complement your existing decor.
Painting your doors is a quick and easy way to update your home's aesthetic. Now, let's move on to the switch plates. Instead of sticking with plain, boring covers, why not give them a fresh coat of paint? Painting your switch plates allows you to add a pop of color to your walls and tie the room together. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in your home's overall look.
When it comes to window treatments, vertical blinds are a stylish and practical choice. Not only do they provide privacy and light control, but they also create the illusion of height, making your ceilings appear taller. Last but not least, let's talk about the staircase.
Instead of using traditional floor mats or rugs, why not paint the stairs themselves?
Painting your stairs is a creative way to add personality to your home. You can choose a single color for a sleek look or get creative with patterns and designs.
Plus, it's much easier to clean than a traditional rug.
And there you have it. With just a few simple updates, you can give your dated home a fresh new look without breaking the bank.
So roll up your sleeves and get ready to transform your space.